are so pretty. My landlord, asafuna ngihambe ngiyambona kade ngizomshiya. Yazi ngizomshiya.
Aye, nobody if you be somebody. Somebody if you be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye.
Guys, buka nisale njani ikhanda lami. Ade ngimuhle kanjani izolo. Sure. Hi, shame. Singayisolo ukuthi ngilenzele izolo, but I needed to do it to shoot content as well. But ngizofix kancane. But yeah, I'm gonna make it work. And episode I'm not gonna do anything fun event with games. A lot of teenagers, because this product is for teenagers with, you know, acne and pimples, you know. So but let me show you what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna change now into my outfit. Simple, comfortable, athleisure outfits. Okay, I'm going to wear this onesie or jumper I got from Cotton On yesterday, and I'm going to wear this cropped cover up from Cotton On as well, with these Nike socks and my Nike M2K Techno as per usual. These are the most worn shoes. Okay, they go with everything, and I'm obsessed.
This is the second time I'm appearing on this channel. I'm so famous. Ascusa, my mocktail.
What is this?
Choco margarita.
Martini.
Yeah, is it a martini? Did it say martini?
Yeah.
No, it's a margarita.
You know where I ended up that day? I ended up at soup on it. Boy, I said there's no way. Boy.
Every single time I go to Montana, I hurt my leg somehow. No, I'm always getting hurt in Montana. Always. Yeah, always. I've changed. I've changed. I don't even drink. I'm having it's a big lemon.
Kadiwa. Oh, you done it. Thank you. Here you go. Can we get a picture? And our second winner.
Oh my God, Belinda, you did it! Wow! I'm so jealous.
We will be announcing the next set of 5 winners in the next 20 minutes, so do be on the lookout for your name. It could be you.
Well done, Belinda.
We did it, girl! We did it!
Well done, Belinda.
Oh my God! Smash! How do you feel? I would like to thank my mom and dad. Without them,
So jealous. So jealous, Belinda. I want to be you. So jealous.
There should be one person on this table in head to. One person.
No, because that was funny. What are the odds?
What are the odds?
and I was busy laughing at people.
That's your name.
Yeah,
I did it. That's not me.
just a little.
Oh, they said the guy about smoking.
No, there's a lot. There's a lot.
Now I'm bored, ashamed.
Yes, the
No, your
boys,
mother
the
was
boys,
doing
the
that.
boys.
Boys are up. Cheers to the boys. I don't know what it is. Cheers to Loreal. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Mr. Hotan and him.
What?
Oh yeah, that Loreal.
Oops, okay. Baby, you're up. You guys are actually full of
Please, even for Google. It's Chan. Yes. Yes.
Hey guys, some of the crates here. Yeah. Can't say much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And I'm back, yes, I'm back. And actually I've been shooting. I have like 5 months content, don't worry. Yeah, dad. No, but I'm back. New things, new brands, exciting things, skincare, yeah, more skincare, more fashion, traveling, you know, all those nice things.
What do you guys have?
Strawberry, blueberry cheesecake, bubblegum, white chocolate and raspberry, red vanilla and coconut.
Okay, which one is your favorite?
Coconut and white chocolate.
Okay, you can give me that.
Corn or cup.
No, corn.
Oh, you have a maximum of 2.
And
Bubblegum. And now sugar corn or in a cup.
It's beautiful.
thank you. Please enjoy.
Are you not adding anything?
You can add for yourself.
event. Overall enjoyed the whole event, although there were a lot of kids. However, it was fun. It was a fun event. They did mention that on the email that it's gonna be like a playful, fun event. I saw people in Bazio and we chilled. It's nice when you go to an event and because it can be pretty awkward sometimes when you don't have a +1 and you rock up there and you know their faces, but then I came back and also good thing I have a couple of gifts, guys. Okay, let's start with this. It's from my landlord, guys. So she came over the other day, had on these hoops, and I complimented her without, you know, thinking more into it. So because I was at the event, I think she came here and knocked, and so that I wasn't here. So paper bag on my door. How cute is that, guys? I cried. These are the earrings. How cute. They are so pretty. My landlord asafuna ngihambe ngiyambona kade ngizomshiya yazi ngizomshiya. Oh my god, but we have such a great relationship, Shem, with my landlord. She's cool people, I like her. But yeah, moving on, I got a second surprise. I lost the AirPod A1. So Younger recently lost his AirPod as well. Gave me his one. He got one as well. I think he got Pros now. I'm thinking good to have because we're like, what if Klepe I day one? So when's enjoying? But yeah, he gave me this one. And when I came back, I don't know what happened. Because I'm saying it's in your bag. I don't know what happened, and it is so annoying, guys. I was one plus like I need both of them, unless if I'm sleeping this side and I can just put one and I'm lying down, I'm on social media, or you know, I'm watching something on my phone, then it's fine. But then I got new ones, guys, new AirPods. I'm so happy. Like namhlanje my surprises and namhlanje. Oh my god, when last so faka itu hi bandla, the struggle, we are back, child. We are back. Oh guys, crazy day, crazy in a nice way though. Okay, ciao. They gave us these. Okay, they gave us these. This is the only Ghana event I went to, and I only came back with one product. Let's see. We have their charcoal serum. The event was for this serum. I'm gonna try it out. Charcoal has a lot of nice benefits for your skin, so yeah, definitely going to try it out. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you on the next video. Please keep on liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting what I should shoot next, okay? Because I am back. See, consistent this time. Adlali.